Went back to that was garage. So, a friend of mine asked me to do him a favor. There's a favor. This is a customer Jeep of his, and apparently it's got a few Bluetooth injectors. So, stick around. We'll clean this thing up, get these wiring harness tore back, get these injectors fixed. So, I actually don't have a stand or anything like this, so I'm not going to be able to put the phone up or do my GoPro or anything like this. I just got my kit, and I'll just take some bits and pieces as I go along. Stick around. We'll get this thing fixed up right. So, as you can see, I've got it unwrapped. Still got one injector left on here. Got the other one stripped back, and yeah, they've chewed it up. So I can extend. I've got enough of the blue. I can run it down to that cut. I'm gonna cut this down here and add materials for replace the blue. I've got some wire I brought with me, and I'll get that soldered in. Sorry for most using my phone and moving around. It just keeps refocusing. But we'll get this. You can see the number one injector, like I'm assuming it's number one, it's number 4 one, either way. One on the end there's already been replaced. Out the wire, and the second one's and the last one's in good shape still. So, okay, get my soldering iron hooked up, get these wires added in, heat shrunk, and I'll be back. Alright, so I had to add in some wire. Got all my wires spliced back together. All the injectors seem to be pulsing. Seems to be running smoothly. So I'll go get my buddy, show him, make sure he's cool with it. And I'll get it all taped back up together and make it look as factory as I possibly can. Never know what the heck we're going to get into around here, so stick around. We'll get this thing cleaned up. I'll show you the final result. Alright. Got it all taped up and tucked back in. Should be good to go until the squirrels get it again. That was garage. More of the same stuff always here. Never know what I'll get into. Today I just happened to be fixing some wiring for a friend of mine. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, comment below, tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Hope you all have a good weekend. Goodbye.